Welcome to the story of Bella's Big Curiosity. In a cozy burrow on the edge of the whispering woods lived a curious little bunny named Bella. With soft gray fur and big, bright eyes, Bella loved asking questions and exploring new places. One sunny afternoon, while hopping near the old oak tree, she noticed something odd, a shimmer behind a curtain of ivy. Bella said, twitching her nose. What could that be? She wriggled through the vines and gasped. Before her lay a hidden gate, covered in moss and morning dew. A wooden sign read, "Secret Garden, only the kind may enter." With a hop, a wiggle, and a very brave heart, Bella pushed the gate open. The garden sparkled with magic. Flowers swayed even though there wasn't a breeze. "Hello there," chirped a cheerful tulip. "Welcome to the Garden of Whimsy." Bella blinked. Did you just talk?" "Of course we did," giggled a daisy, twirling on its stem. "We're enchanted. We only talk to those with kind hearts." Bella's ears perked up. She was full of questions, but first, she wanted to be polite. "It's lovely to meet you all." The tulips and daisies beamed. "Kindness is always noticed here," one said. Bella beamed back, feeling warm and happy inside. Further into the garden, Bella met a group of musical insects. A beetle with a banjo, a ladybug with a lute, and a cricket conductor. "We're the bug band," they said in unison. Near them sat a patch of sleepy sunflowers. "We're the patience petals," they yawned. "We grow, slowly but surely." Bella giggled. The bugs played a tune, but the sunflowers didn't dance. "We'll bloom when it's time," said a sunflower. "Patience is part of caring." Bella sat with them. Humming softly with the bugs, she learned that sometimes you have to wait for beautiful things to grow. At the heart of the garden stood a glowing fountain, bubbling with golden water. As Bella approached, the water shimmered and formed a message. "When numbers match and hearts unite, the garden's joy will shine so bright. But lose the sum and magic will fade. Solve the riddle before dreams degrade." Bella's ears twitched. "A riddle? I love riddles." The flowers looked worried. "If we don't solve it by moonrise," whispered a poppy, "we'll lose our voices." Bella nodded firmly. "I'll help. We can do this together." Bella and her friends gathered near the fountain. The message glowed again, and a row of numbers appeared. 3 + 4 = question. 2 + question = 7. +5 = 8. "Let's solve them one at a time," said Bella. 3 + 4 is 7, chirped the ladybug. 2 + what = 7, mused Bella. "That must be 5. And what +5 = 8, asked the beetle. "That's 3. Bella grinned. "So the numbers are 7, 5, and 3. The fountain sparkled. The flowers cheered. But the riddle wasn't done yet. "Now we need to match the numbers to the flowers," said Bella. "But how?" Each flower had a petal count. The tulips had 3, daisies had 5, and sunflowers had 7. Bella's eyes lit up. "The numbers match the petals. Tulips = 3, daisies = 5, sunflowers = 7. The garden glowed brighter. "See," Bella said, "when we work together and think things through, we can solve anything." The bug band played a happy tune as petals twirled overhead like confetti. As the last beam of sunlight touched the fountain, the water shot high into the air, creating sparkling rain over the whole garden. The flowers sang, the bugs danced, and the garden shimmered with joy. "You did it!" cried the tulips. "You solved the riddle!" Bella giggled, spinning in the golden rain. "We all did it, together!" The fountain whispered, "Kindness, patience, and teamwork make the garden grow. .. As the stars peeked out, Bella knew it was time to go. She hugged the daisies, waved to the bug band, and nuzzled the fountain. "You'll come back, won't you?" asked a sunflower. Bella smiled. "Of course I will. I have so much more to learn, and so many more friends to see." She hopped back through the gate, the vines curling gently behind her. That night, Bella snuggled in her burrow with a heart full of wonder and a mind full of dreams, of dancing flowers, glowing fountains. and the magic that comes from kindness, patience, and solving problems together. The end. By Sunflower.